Hi, my name's Waylon Smalley. It is Thursday, May 13th. Welcome back to my garden. Sure glad you stopped by for a visit. Hey Riley, let's go plant peppers. Today we're looking at the peppers that we overwintered. We lost a couple in that polar vortex. We had 13 days below freezing. You know, we had potatoes here last year and we threw them off to the side. Little bitty seed potatoes. Volunteering. We don't want to disturb them. We did want to kind of put the peppers right in this area. Oh, guess not. I guess I won't be putting the peppers there. Wow. We got a little beehive. I guess we'll be leaving that alone. Wow. I guess I'm lucky they didn't come swarming up out of there. Well, I probably shouldn't plant so close to this bee's nest, but they're going to pollinate it and we're going to leave them alone. Now those are some worms. Thank you. We've got a red and a yellow bell. But I think, yeah, those aren't very deep. See, that's the way it's just coming out of dormancy. Got some decent little roots. We'll put two in here since they've been growing side by side. Just snug that down in there. We're going to go ahead and put this other little one next to it. It's still green. We'll see if we get anything at all. There's two more survivors of the polar vortex. Now we had really good luck over on this side. That was much bigger. So let's set that in there. And we'll find out what that is. I lost the tag. I lost the tag on this other one too. Just kind of feel around. You'll tell where the roots are. Leave a comment down below if I should cut this off here and here. This is all still really good green. We're getting some leaves out of here. This is the first time that I've overwintered peppers, so I'm not sure if I'm doing this correctly, but for as long as they were below freezing temperatures in the garage, I think we did pretty good. You know, I'm new at this. This is the first year we ever overwintered. Well, that's 5 in. We'll see what we get. You can only try. Can you believe the luck we have? We got native bees right in the garden. Gotta love our pollinators. We're gonna follow these throughout the summer. I want to thank you for stopping by the garden and helping me plant these peppers. I hope you come back and follow this story and the rest of our story. Me and Riley want to thank you for coming to the garden and helping us plant peppers. Till next time, take care of yourself, take care of your family. God bless you. Come on, let's plant. Let's go plant garden.